How to fix WhatsApp Messenger app not working in your Android or iPhone device. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the WhatsApp Messenger app not working on your device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is strong and working properly. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if it resolves the problem. Another thing you can do is you can restart your device. Press and hold the power button and then tap on restart or slide to restart in iPhone, and this can resolve temporary glitches or background problems. You can also see if the app is updated to its latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store according to your device. Click on the search bar in the top and type in TikTok. Once you find it and see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, instead of open, tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Once you're done with this, come back, open your system settings, search for TikTok application under the app, and then open its app info. Scroll down and tap on its storage, and then click on clear cache and also try clearing the data. You can also try for stopping this application, uninstalling it, or offloading it on iPhone, and then open your Play Store or App Store again and reinstall it on your device. Last but not least, if all the solutions do not work, you can go ahead and contact the app's customer support team for help. And if the problem is on the app server, you may need to wait for them to fix it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.